Hello students, myself Dr. Urunmal, Assistant Professor and Lecturer of Political Science. Today we are discuss about the class 11 Political Science topic English medium Rajasthan Board. In this particular topic, we are discuss about the meaning of political science. It is the simplest topic of class 11 Rajasthan Board Political Science. What is the meaning of political science? Politics is a English language word. Politics is a English language word, and this word origin by the and this word origin by the a Greek language word, policia, and this word origin by the a Greek language word, policia, and meaning of policia is that city state. Clear? Understand? So, what do you understand about the politics? The common man is think that politics connected to the election, political parties, BJP, Congress, Sonia Gandhi, Narendra Modi ji, Lalu Yadav, etc., and political problems and political issues, terrorism, corruptions, etc. But according to the political science, what is the official definition of politics? The official definition is that politics is an English language word. Politics is an English language word, and this word origin by the a Greek language word, policia. And what is the meaning of policia? The meaning of policia is that city state. Clear? Next is, who is the father of political science? Who is the father of political science? The father of political science is that Aristotle. Who is the father of political science? The father of political science is Aristotle, and his book name is Politics. Clear? And next is, who is the father of Indian political science? Who is the father of Indian political science? The father of Indian political science is that Kautilya. Kautilya is next. Another name is Chanakya or Vishnugupta. Chanakya or Kautilya, and he's written a book named Arthashastra. Basically, name is the Arthashastra. We are think that this particular book connected to the economics, but not this book basically connected to the politics. Clear? So Arthashastra is the book name of Kautilya. Arthashastra. Who is the father of Indian political science? Kautilya, and his book name is Arthashastra. And his book name is Arthashastra. Arthashastra. And his another name is Chanakya. Chanakya. And next question is, who is the father of contemporary political science? Contemporary means recently. Who is the father of contemporary political science? Recently in 2020. Who is the father of contemporary political science? Losky. Losky was the father of contemporary political science. Okay. Losky was the father of contemporary political science. Losky was the father of contemporary political science. Okay, clear? Losky was the father of contemporary political science. And who is the father of political science? Aristotle. His book name is Politics. And who is the father of Indian political science? The father of Indian political science name is Kautilya or Chanakya. And his book name is Arthashastra. And who is the father of recently or contemporary political science? The father of recently or contemporary political science is Losky. Clear? And what is the meaning of politics? The politics word origin by the English language word politics, and this word origin by the a Greek language word policia. Policia meaning is that city state. Policia meaning is that city state. Okay. So dear student, in this particular video, we are discuss about the what is the meaning of political science. Clear? Now we are discuss about the what is the scope of political science. What is the scope of political science? Now we are discuss about the scope of political science. What is the meaning of scope of political science? Area of study. Which area is study in the field of political science? Number one is Constitution, Samvidhan. Number two is political thinkers. Number third, international politics. International politics. Number 1 is constitution. Number 2 is political thinker. Number 3 is international politics. Clear? Constitution, political thinker, and international politics. What is the constitution? Constitution is the book of law, ruling system. The Indian ruling system follow the constitution, rule of law. Rule of law. Indian constitution. Hindi is called to Samvidhan, Bharat ka Samvidhan. And second is political thinker. Political thinker meaning is that famous political thinkers. For example, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Arastu, Kautilya, Chanakya, Shastriji, Swami Vivekananda, and Raja Ram Mohan Roy. And number 3rd is what we study up in the political science. International politics. International politics. International politics basically connected to the relation between two countries, foreign policies, and diplomacy. Clear? Understand? So, dear student, we have discussed about in this particular topic what is the meaning of political science and what is the scope of political science. The scope of political science basically connected to the what we study, what subject we study in the field of political science. What are the main branches? What is the main branches in the field of political science? What is the main topics? What is the main topics we have discussed about in the field of political science? Clear? Number 1 is constitution. Number 2 is political thinkers. Number 2 is political thinkers. And number 3rd is international politics. And number 3rd is international politics. Okay, student. So you subscribe this channel because according to your subscription, I upload new videos in this particular channel for class 11th and 12th political science Rajasthan Board English medium. Okay, student, and like and share this particular video and write your question in the comment section. Okay, thank you.